In this video, I will show you how to gift games on Steam. First, log into your Steam account and go to the Friends section by hovering over your username in the top left corner and clicking Friends. If the person you want to gift a game to isn't already on your friends list, add them first. Next, head over to the Steam store and search for the game you'd like to gift. I'll use Zombie War 4 as an example. Once you're on the games page, click Add to Cart and then choose Purchase as a gift instead of for yourself. On the next screen, select your friend from your friends list, click Continue, and then proceed to the payment screen. After entering your payment details and confirming the purchase, Steam will send the game directly to your friend's account. It's a simple and convenient way to share games with others. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.